Welcome to TubeMagic. We're excited to share how we can help elevate your video content. While our free trials are temporarily disabled to combat spam, we invite you to explore our 30-day money-back guarantee, risk-free. That's right, you can experience all our features without worry. Your payment security is our priority. All transactions are processed through Digistore24, one of the most trusted payment processors. Rest assured, we don't store any of your payment details. Curious about language support? You'll love this. TubeMagic supports over 95 languages for video titles, descriptions, and even community posts, from Spanish to Japanese. Whatever your needs, we've got you covered. And if you're not completely satisfied within those 30 days, no problem. Just reach out to support@tubemagic.com and we'll issue a full refund. No questions asked. Worried about subscriptions? You have the freedom to cancel at any time, no hassle involved. If Stripe isn't available in your region, simply email us and we'll explore alternative payment options together. Plus, we're thrilled to announce our affiliate program. This is a great way to earn while sharing the magic of TubeMagic. For further details, don't hesitate to get in touch. Now, let's talk about content quality. Is AI-generated content good for SEO? Absolutely. Our cutting-edge blend of AI and human curation ensures your content is unique and top-notch. And with our built-in plagiarism checker, you're guaranteed original work every time. Need assistance? Our support team is just an email away at support@tubemagic.com. We typically respond within 12 hours on weekdays, prioritizing our valued customers and even offering live chat support too. Thank you for considering TubeMagic. Let's create something amazing together.